2026 tax refund update. In today's video, we have the latest numbers updated on the 2026 tax filing season. We have the reason for tax refund delays. We have the numbers, the next direct deposit date shared, and much more. So make sure you stay tuned for all of the details. But before we begin, as always, welcome back, everyone. So very happy to have you back for another IRS update. This information is being shared from irs.gov. The National Taxpayer Advocate has updated their 2026 Congress report, and we are starting with, by the end of the tax filing season, the IRS had processed about 139 million forms of 1040 tax returns, and about 98% have been submitted electronically, and about 65% of those 1040 individual income tax returns resulted in tax refunds, and about 98% of those refunds were delivered by direct deposit in the 2026 tax filing season. As a result, the significant majority of tax returns were processed via automation and without any issues or delays, allowing most taxpayers to file their tax returns and receive their refunds without delay. Total individual tax returns received 140,222,000. Individual tax returns processed so far 138,567,000, and the total refund issued so far for the 2026 tax filing season 90,411,000, and the average refund for the 2026 tax filing season was $3,275. Refunds issued by direct deposit was 90,781,000. Although most taxpayers received their 2026 tax refunds timely, some taxpayers experienced tax refund delay. While most taxpayers did not encounter problems, millions of tax returns were frozen by processing filters, leaving 14 million individual income tax returns suspended during processing. More than 1 million taxpayers did not receive their tax refunds within the IRS normal processing time frame, experiencing tax refund delays on an average wait of 5.5 weeks. Most of the tax refund delays were due to identity theft. The IRS has been dealing with resolving identity theft cases, which often requires taxpayers to wait nearly 2 years to receive their tax refunds. At the end of the 2026 tax filing season, more than 500,000 cases were pending in inventory due to identity theft, according to this report. According to the numbers reported in this report, the IRS currently have more than 1 million in tax refunds still delayed. Continuing on with tax refund delays, if you had to provide additional information to the IRS, they are currently processing correspondence received March of 2026, so expect delays in the IRS updating your additional information and completing your tax return. Now let's move on to the good news. The IRS is approving tax refunds, and we have the next direct deposit dates shared, and the first date is July 6, 2026, according to the WMR. Make sure you check the WMR on irs.gov for your next direct deposit date, as well as your IRS online transcript. And the next direct deposit date on the transcript is shown as July 20th, 2026. Make sure to share with us in the comments if you did receive a next direct deposit date. Now make sure to stay tuned on how you can check the status of your tax refund if you are still waiting You can contact the IRS at 1-800-829-1040, and you can contact the Taxpayer Advocate Service for assistance as well, especially if you are experiencing financial hardship due to your tax refund being delayed. You can contact them at 1-877-777-4778. You can also schedule an in-person appointment by calling 844-545-5640. You can also contact your local state representative by going to house.gov, put in your zip code, finding your representative, and you can contact them to receive assistance in finding out what the delay is. So make sure to explore all of these options to find out what is causing the tax refund delay. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for more 2025 tax refund updates and breaking news. Bye-bye.